So today with my 2013 WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokee, I'm noticing what sounds to me like a little bit of a rough idle. If you can hear it, it's a little bit of a sound like that. I'm thinking that it's the spark plugs. I'm going to replace all 6 of them. Hopefully that gets rid of the noise. I've had the car for over 100,000 miles. I've never changed the spark plugs. Even if they changed them right when I bought the car, I've still put over 30,000 miles on it. So it's probably about time. If you're interested to see if this solves the problem, go to MoreTimeThanMoney.blog. Check out my blog there where I will go through the whole process of how to change out the spark plugs. And you can also search for it on More Time Than Money on YouTube and see the full video.